Welcome back to J-Dub Adventures. Today we're working on the 96 Bronco. We did a conversion of disc brakes. We are going to walk you through it, where we got it, and show you how to do it. We got to bleed the brakes. Why, Steve?
Because they're mushy.
They're mushy. They're pretty bad. Today we're talking about the 96 Bronco conversion that we did on the brake system. We went from drums to disc. These came from LS Manufacturing, I believe. This isn't a plug. We didn't get these for free. We bought them with our own money. I believe the system was about $650. It only took us about 20 minutes to tear off the old stuff, cut the backer plate and everything. If you have a good Sawzall blade and a good Sawzall, you literally just cut down the center, break it apart, and then you start putting all the hardware back on. It goes on incredibly quickly. It's just insanely easy. So these are made for, this set is made for an 82 Eldorado, but they make them fit the 96 or whatever the years are for the Bronco. The hardest part about putting this whole kit together was the parking brake. We had to reroute both sides of the parking brake wires, and it was, I don't know, it wasn't horrible, but it kind of sucked. We have to bring this one to the outer part of the frame. It was attached to the inner part of the frame, just under it. So there's a couple things you had to do. This does have the 6-inch skyjacker lift on it though, so that probably made it a little more difficult than normal. But today we're gonna be bleeding the brakes. I have a 10 mil, and that goes on the bleeder valve. And then Steve will jump in the Bronco, pump the brakes, put some pressure. I'll crack the valve, let it bleed out until there's no more air. On these specific brakes, you have to have them completely vertical or they won't bleed correctly. According to the instructions, you can go through a gallon and a half of brake fluid, but if it's not 100% vertical, it's not going to work. So we'll go ahead and get into it. Okay, we're done with the backs. We're gonna go ahead and move to the fronts and get those bled, and then we'll put the wheels and tires back on and get it out and see what happens. Oh, those 35s are heavy. Okay. I got a lot of fluid.
And as soon as you loosen it, the metal just fell free.
Okay.
Feels tight now, though.
Good.
All right, go ahead again. Loosen.
Loosening.
Tight.
Tight.
All right, Jeremy, how do the brakes feel?
Dude, the brakes are bled. It's super tight. We're taking it on the freeway for the first time since the brakes are redone, have been redone. So as long as we don't die, we'll be good.
Which one's the brake?
This one.
Interesting.
Dude, it's smooth, bro. 6-inch lift, 35-inch tires, AC works, blows freezing cold, runs like a champ. Dude, this thing is sick. We didn't have to redo gearing, nothing. It's freaking amazing.
It's like riding a cloud.
It is. It feels great. They work great, Steve.
They didn't look like they worked at all. Just kidding. How do they feel?
Dude, they're tight. Tight is right. And in this, it's right.
The Bronco.
She done.